We're wishing you and yours a Merry Valentine's Day. In this episode, we'll show you how to create your own Valentine's Day tree in 4 simple steps. Plus, we'll tell you how to win a gift card just in time for the holiday.
And with that, let's get started. We have in this box. So I feel like Melody Holt when she opened her Versace gift. I'm having just as much fun. This is a tinsel tree. And like I said, I wanted it to look completely different from the Christmas tree. I've never worked with a tinsel tree before. And the reviews were okay. But it still yells Christmas to me. Hopefully when we dress it up, it'll yell Valentine's Day tree. The expert that we featured used a tinsel tree, and so that's where I got the idea from. So I'm being a copycat right now. All right, well it has instructions, but I'm one of those folks I never read the instructions, which is probably why it takes me longer. But I think I had the idea. Okay, so I think this is like the old-fashioned Christmas tree where you use these screws to keep the tree in place.
Hey sis, we know you've been watching Mommy Room Redo content, but you have yet to subscribe. So let's change that right now.
And my son has put the tree together for me. Yay. And I think we just kind of put it in there. And I think these keep the tree in place. So you just kind of stretch the leaves out. And I'm going to start from the bottom. So it's a lot more dainty than I thought it would be. Have to kind of dig in here and find branches.
And here's our question of the day. Are you planning to decorate this Valentine's Day season? Let us know down in the comments. So have you been inspired to design your own Valentine's Day tree like many of our sisters did last year? Well, enter the MommyRoomREDO Valentine's Day Tree Roundup. If you're selected as our fan favorite, you'll win a gift card and your tree will be featured in upcoming videos. To enter, send us your name, headshot, what inspired your design, where you shop, along with your horizontally formatted pics and or videos to mommyroomredo@gmail.com. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.